Hi, so today I'm going to take you on a tour of my archive and vital files. And we're in my attic, so you can probably hear my attic fan because it's tail end of summer right now, so things are a little bit warm. But I just wanted to show you how I have this set up. And first, I should point out that I keep everything in this nice century, and you will see my attic is a true attic. It's a storage attic, so there'd be junk. It's a fireproof box, and ideally I would want this to be waterproof too, but fireproof will have to do for now. In yesterday's video I talked about how if you hate filing, you're probably doing it wrong, and the first reason I gave was that you had your files all lined up all wonky, and so it was hard to find things, even to file things away. And I just want to show you what a filing system looks like when you have all of the tabs lined up like I recommended. So here, they're all lined up and one is slightly askew, but everything's lined up here. And so it makes sense for our family to have everything like this so I can find things pretty quickly. However, the next reason why you might hate filing is because you are doing what I'm doing right here, which is jamming your filing system so full of stuff that it makes it a pain in the tush to get anything in or out, which is pretty much what is going on here. This is really way more than this little firebox should contain, but like I said, this is for my archive and vital information, so it's stuff that needs to be protected from fire, but I'm not getting in here very often. Like, we keep our passports in here, you know, and we're not doing a lot of international traveling right now, so it's cool. But anyway, so another mistake you might be making is to keeping it too full, so it's hard to get things in and out. The other mistake you might be making is putting too much in your file folders. Like, here's the mortgage payment for this house, or not mortgage payment, rather. Here are the mortgage documents. But ideally you want to keep your files so that they are 1 inch less in thickness. If it gets to be too much, like this, I keep all of the not all of that, but a lot of the warranty information. I don't know if you can see that. It's really hard in this dark attic, but I used to have all of the warranty information for like kitchen laundry stuff, electronics. It was all in one huge folder, and it made it really unwieldy, and I couldn't find anything very quickly. And the whole point of filing things is to put them where you know you'll be able to get them and get them quickly. So this works relatively well, this setup, because I broke up the warranty information into a couple different things. In the next video, I am going to cover the last reason why you might hate filing, and to give you a little hint, you are probably saving way more than you actually need to. So I'll go over some of the do's and don'ts in the third video in this series, so look for it soon.